So these are the Crossky C50 headphones, and I've actually never used these type of headphones before. These are ones that clip right back here on your ear. So this will be a new experience for me. And so we're gonna walk through the unboxing just to give you a little bit of information. Operation range is about 10 meters. The product name officially is the QCY Crossky C50. Standby time is approximately 45 minutes. Music time is about 7.5 hours. Charging time is approximately 2 hours. Your input is 5 volts and 500 milliamps. It supports a lot of different things. There's multiple colors. So these are the kind of white version. So let's turn the camera around and jump into the box to show you what's in there. Okay, here we are in the box. Oh, I really like this design. Kind of looks like a little bit of an egg. It's got this faux pas leather there, and be creative and go beyond. It's kind of like a pearl white almost. Yeah, so there's that. Underneath this, I'm sure we're gonna get our USB charging port and then our manual underneath, so there's that. So here's our go-to manual, QCY. You can see all of the buttons, sound outlet, charging connectors. There was, I don't know if you saw this, a little tiny right there, LCD. There's our power button, USB-C, which is nice. Just to check on the back end whether or not this is a USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to, yeah, it's USB-C to USB-A or classic. So let's turn this on. Yeah, it's still got some juice. And again, these are a pearl white. So I don't know, yeah, you can see that kind of glossy finish. So these are our charging ports right here. And you can see right in there, those two little metal pieces right there is where it's gonna basically connect and charge. So I'm gonna try these on, and to avoid any sort of copyright or anything like that, I'm not gonna do music live. But the nice thing I can already tell about this is the music's gonna be playing down into your ear. So we'll try these on, and I'll flip the camera around and kind of walk you through and give you my final thoughts after that. So I'll be honest, I was a little worried that these weren't gonna stay on and that they were gonna fall off. And they sound really, really, really good. They are touch controls. So, I mean, obviously you power them on with this, you Bluetooth them once they're in here. You can answer phone calls, you can skip songs. I'm actually listening to music right now. Listen to a little Noah Kahan. These will not end up being ones that I use every day. A, because of the color, but B, because of just what I do for work. I have to have something that's over ear or what I can just have. Anyway, it doesn't matter. But so the controls are super easy. The volume is really, really nice. And you can see that the speakers are actually going right into my eardrum, but they're not in my ear. I can actually still hear what's going on outside here. So when I was talking about controls, just a couple things. So power on, super easy. Just power on from here. You do the Bluetooth from here, and that's how you power them off. Double tap. There's a touch area on both right here. So you can answer phone calls, pause music, start music, skip songs forward, skip songs backwards. You can also do voice assistant where you can talk to it. You can also customize it in the app if you want to use it for games or you know, volume control, different things like that. So there is an app that you can download and actually do that way. So this is the Crossky C50 model. They do have other models. And again, this is the pearl white, I'm assuming is the color. So I want to make sure, yeah. So there's white, pink, and then there is a kind of a gray, blackish version. And one of the things that's unique to these, obviously, is this kind of like clipping part of your ear, where we've either shoved them in before, they've gone over ear. We have ones that go over the top, but this is one that kind of clips around the side like this. Anyway, so unique feature there that they have. I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much.